Good morning guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and by the way, I'm Zing Marquez, and for those who are just new in my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and click mo na rin ang notification bell para notified ka and updated ka sa mga new uploaded videos ko. And for today's vlog, I will be unboxing my new... Wait, pakita ko sa inyo ang box. Oh my God. Gago. Nangyari. Here's a box. Tcharam! Ang laki. Like, oh my God. Hindi na ako makita. Ayan. Ang laki niya guys. Look at this box. And guess what? Kung anong nasa loob nito. I'm unboxing my new ring light. Yes, ring light. You heard it right. Ring light. Ring light. Yung basta ring light. Best. Ring light, the one that you see from the makeup artist that they use for makeup session. Yung ring light na may light siya. Basta ganun, ring light. Feel ko alam nyo naman yun guys. And you have the idea already. So, I got this from Amazon. And kaka-arrive niya lang as in today. So, pinaship ko siya dun sa workplace ko, and then yung workmate ko, naghingi ako sa kanya ng favor na dalhin niya dito sa aming apartment kasi pinapaship ko talaga siya sa workplace ko kasi palaging walang tao dito sa bahay. So it's convenient na dun na lang para nakikita namin yung packages na nag-a-arrive para sa amin. Kaya ayan, pinadala ko na siya sa aking friend. Shout out to Hannah. Hannah, thank you so much for bringing this home. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to open this one. So, ayan, without any further ado, aray! So, without any further ado, let's open the box. So, ayan, i-unbox ko na siya, guys. I'm gonna use this knife. So, sa mga bata dyan, huwag niyong gagayahin na. Oh my God. Ang bigat. From the box itself, may another box pa siya. Another box. Here. Niloloko ata ako nito ah. Ang daming box. Kaloka. Paano na to? Totoo. Niloloko nga nila ako guys. From another box. Easy. Another box. Oh my God! Ayan na siya. This is the box for my ring light. Yes! Ayan na siya, guys. Hindi ako ma-focus. Focus mo ko. Ayan. So, on this box, I also got another box here. Let's see what's inside. Yan ang gulo. Ang dami. Kaloka. Ang hirap maging vlogger. Pwede naman akong bumili na hindi ko na i-vlog, diba? Charot. By the way, disclaimer, I'm not here to brag or anything else. I just wanna show you how happy I am to finally have my ring light. Binili ko siya para maganda ang quality ng contents and vlogs ko. And then, yeah, this is all for you guys. Oh my God. So, ayan na siya. The bag for my ring light. Oh, wow. So by the way guys, I got this Mount Dog ring light, 18 inches, 48 cm, 55 watts, 240 bulbs, LED ring light, and it is also dimmable from Amazon. So I got this for $89.99, almost $90, and then ang shipping fee niya is $21.58 kasi I choose the 2-day shipping para maka-arrive siya today. Since it's my day off, bihira lang kami magka-day off, kaya sinakto ko talaga mag-arrive siya today and para ma-unbox ko na rin siya para sa inyo. So anyway, pagpatuloy mo na ang panonood ng video para makita mo kung ano ang binili ko. I mean, kung ano ang nasa loob nitong bag. Yes. So, ayan na guys, may pailaw na si Mayor. Oh my God, ang ganda. Pwede pa siyang paliwanagin like this. Masyado na siyang maliwanag. Masyado bang maliwanag? Oh my God, ang ganda. Ganyan siya pag walang ilaw. Ang pangit, diba? So, ngayon, may ilaw na siya. Ang bongga. I love the lights. Ayan na siya, guys. I'm gonna show you. Wait. So, this is it. Ayan na ang ring light ko. Naka-set up na siya and I already put my camera in here. Bongga. It also comes with this one. I don't know kung ano to. I think pwede pa siyang pang-extend kapag masyado pang mababa yung tripod for you. So you can still put this one para mas ma-extend siya. Para mas tumangkad pa siya. Also comes with this one. Phone holder. Para kung ilalagay mo rin yung phone mo dyan, ito yung holder niya. Like parang pang selfie stick lang siya, right? Here. And it also comes with this filter. Color yellow siya. If you want it color yellow, you can put these filters on it. And then it also comes with this one. Yay! Meron siyang Bluetooth shutter. The color red siya. Obvious naman, diba? And here's the manual. Ayan na siya, guys. Ang ganda-ganda. Ganda-ganda ng aking ring light. I'm so happy. Investment, ika nga. Kahit hindi pa tayo sikat, hindi pa masyadong madami ang audience natin, I'm so happy. I'm gonna make more vlogs for you and mas magaganda ang content para sa inyong lahat. Ayan na, ang liwanag ng buhay. Yes! Thank you, Lord. Ang ganda. Thank you, Amazon. Hindi mo ako binigo. Ang ganda. So, yan na siya, guys. Ang bongga, diba? And ang kalat-kalat ng room ko. Ayan. Kaloka. After this vlog, maglilinis ako. Yun na siya, guys. Ano ba bang sasabihin ko? Sabi ko ng price, right? Price. Kung saan ko siya binili. Kung saan ko siya pinaship. And 2 days shipping lang siya. Ano pa ang dapat kong sabihin about this ring light for you? May nakalimutan pa ba ako? If I forgot something, just comment down below. And if you have further questions, comment down below. And I'm gonna try my best to answer all those questions. Actually, nagbe-babysit talaga ako ng pet ng aking friend. And I'm gonna make a vlog, a separate vlog about babysitting my friend's pet. And it's a husky. Yes, may husky ako. Nasa labas lang siya. Hinahayaan ko lang siya maglaro sa bahay. Yes, para makapag-vlog nitong ring light. Shout out to my hair and makeup artist friends out there in the Philippines. By the way guys, I have a good news for you. Pwede nyo tong rentahan aking ring light when I get home in the Philippines para may return of investment. Charot! Anyway, pwede nyo siyang mairam sa akin as long as marunong ka mag-return on time and safe yung aking ring light. So, ayan na nga siya guys. That's it for today and thank you so much for watching this video. Ang ganda-ganda ng ring light ko. This is all for you para mas maganda and better quality ang mga videos na i-upload ko for you all and for every one of you. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below kung ano pa ang gusto niyo makita sa aking mga susunod na vlogs. So before I end up this video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Marquez Ding. Add me on Facebook, Ding Marquez. And yes, subscribe my YouTube channel, Ding Marquez. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day and see you later on my next videos. Bye! Thank you. Ganda ng lighting. Pahabol. Wait. Thank you. Bye!